Hi, this is Arkady Frekhtman, a New York City personal injury trial attorney, and today I wanted to show you how a New York attorney can use Google Maps to prove their case. Under the CPLR, in a recent update, Google Maps photographs are admissible in evidence. So what you want to do as a plaintiff's attorney is check the location of your incident in Google Maps. And I'll give you an example. Here is a case where my client fell because of a hole in a pedestrian sidewalk, and there was also a ramp going down to the street. And so if you look at a Google map from way before he fell in 2012, you can see that the sidewalk flag is in good shape, including the one that goes down as the ramp to the roadway. You could see the expansion joints, right, between the sidewalk flags. They're in good shape. Looks like nothing is wrong with it. Then you go to the next Google map, which is October of 2013. So right about over a year later, now you could see that the sidewalk flags have holes in them. And somebody went and put patchwork in those holes to try to fix it. So now you could say, because this was a commercial building, this was a condo building, and there's that ramp leads to parking where a lot of the condo members park their cars, like a parking garage. So you could see, hey, not only is it getting broken because they're using this ramp, but they're trying to fix it, but they're not doing a very good job. And then you go to the next photo and you have a close-up and you actually see the patchwork clearly, and you see a big hole right where 4 of these sidewalk flags converge, right? So that's like an intersection, 4 sidewalk flags, and there's like a big kind of like triangular or circular hole that has some depth to it, and you want to take a measurement to see how deep it is. But see, that shows you just using Google Maps how you can prove a case, because now if you serve a notice to admit with a copy of the photograph, including when the image was captured by Google, and you follow all of the rules in the CPLR, which is the Civil Practice Law and Rules in New York, now when it comes time for trial, you can show the first photo, right, that it was a perfect sidewalk. The second photo that, hey, it's starting to crack a little bit and they're putting patchwork. And then the third photo, which is a close-up this is in 2017, this is after the incident, and it shows the hole clearly. And so that's it. I mean, I always like going to the scene as well, but it's always a good idea to use Google Maps, as it's there right for you. It's an easy way to get the information, and it's very, very powerful. And now with this new law, it's admissible as evidence. So I think that every lawyer should use it, and it can be very helpful in your case. Okay, I hope this has been helpful. Let us know what questions you have. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know how we can help you, because that is our goal. Our goal is helping serious injury victims and their families. Okay, have a great day, everyone.